Hello, EatsPAPA. Video daw sa Rocky Ma. Thanks so much, EatsPAPA. Thank you, Jules. Alright. Ingat! Bye!
Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Wherein Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their services to our Wherein Pampanga community. If you notice guys, on our table we have native and some Kapampangan delicacies that are, really we take pride of. Actually, aside from having this native Kapampangan dishes on our table, one of the reasons for this vlog is how we got them dito sa bahay. So actually, I used a new app. It's called EatsPAPA, and you can actually download it sa iOS at saka Play Store. With EatsPAPA, you can search for Kapampangan delicacies and dishes. They actually champion local restaurants, local establishments. They wanna help us guys. They wanna help yung mga entrepreneurs, yung mga businesses connect with yung mga potential customers. Sino bang hindi nakakaalala sa Machos, Mami, and Goto, no? This is located in Nepo Quad sa Toto Beach. So I can still remember we have some, good memories back there. And then this sherbet and ice cream right here is from Mang Jill's, and this has been in the industry for 30 years. Kilalang kilala din po ito sa Angeles City. Now, of course, due to the pandemic, due to the situation currently, hindi tayo nakakalabas, and restricted yung paglabas natin. Now, it is not impossible now for us to taste this one. Available po siya sa EatsPAPA. Just make sure to download the app sa iOS and Play Store. Let's brush through some merchants na included na dito sa app natin. Just take note guys, they have over 100 partnered merchants na already available sa app natin, and the list keeps on going every day, every single day. What's good about this app is for the first 3 kilometers, it's only 39 pesos for the base rate. Another thing that they really, carry on as their advocacy sa company is anywhere in Pampanga. Kung nasaan ka man sa Pampanga, kung nasa dulo ka ng Pampanga, they're gonna deliver the goods if it's a partner merchant dito po sa app na to. I think that's one of the pains sa mga customers natin or sa mga consumers natin na nasa bahay. Whenever they are far from from Angeles or San Fernando or Mabalacat, if they are from Guagua or Libao or Santa Rita, something like that, medyo nahihirapan na yung mga delivery services. Anywhere ka sa Pampanga, as long as you're in Pampanga, the food will be delivered straight to your doorsteps. Let's browse some merchants na nandito. For the merchants na nag-send sa atin, let's search yung mga iba pang menu like si Macho. So you have your beef mami regular, the supreme, which is what we have right now. They also have lugaw and some goto, which I'm gonna share later on with my family. So the way you order is, say for example, napili mo na si buko with lychee, add that one. For example, isa or dalawa yung gusto mo. Once you confirm your order, tap on the checkout button. Here it is. This is the subtotal. You can actually schedule your order if you want the order to deliver now or you want it to schedule on a later date. Pwede yan. Available po yan. And then if you proceed to pay, it's gonna ask you for the payment method. According to our orientation with them, as of now, they are accepting not just COD for the payment method. Just message them on their fan page on how you can settle po yung payment through other methods. Like I mentioned earlier guys, they are hyperlocal, meaning they advocate in helping Kapampangan local entrepreneurs and businesses, whether small or large enterprises guys, they will be partnering with you. If you are a business owner and interested to be part of the app or the system, make sure to check them out on their official Facebook page or the number we're gonna be provided in the caption below. Let me just emphasize that distance doesn't matter with them. So again, if you are in the far north or far east and far south ng Pampanga, they're gonna deliver the item as long as you ordered po dito sa EatsPAPA. You can also custom your order if you can't find what you're looking for. As long as it's a local food item, you can get in touch with them and they're gonna do something about it. Again, if you're interested to be partner with EatsPAPA, make sure to check them out on their official fan page. And as for me, guys, I'm gonna share this with my family. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until our next feature from home, until then, stay safe and stay at home. God bless us all. Peace out. Bye-bye.